Hello guys, so today let me show you. I just woke up this morning and I want to show you this thing before I leave site. So one thing people will tell you is that polystyrene ceiling is 100% water resistant. So today we are going to discover whether that is true or not. So since around 4 o'clock, I'm making this video around 8 in the morning. So somewhere in Imo State. So it's been raining since around 4 o'clock, and I want to show you today if that thing of polystyrene ceiling is 100% water resistant is correct or not. So of course you can see these are some of the water on the side, and right there is our polystyrene ceiling panel. So come, let's go. So this is the polystyrene panel. These are the polystyrene panel, and of course they were here when the rain was falling, and which means water cannot penetrate this polystyrene panel. No matter how heavy it is, water cannot penetrate this polystyrene ceiling panel. Now, does that mean water will not penetrate polystyrene ceiling? Does that mean water does not affect polystyrene ceiling? So before I answer that, let me let me just take a piece of this polystyrene ceiling, let me just take a piece of this polystyrene ceiling panel and then put it in this water in this wheelbarrow here and see what happens. Follow me. So this is one of the polystyrene panel. This is a piece of the polystyrene panel. So I just try to break it and see what happened, and then let me. So this is it. So follow me. Let's see if it will. So let me put in this water and see what happens. So of course there is water in this wheelbarrow, as you can see, and then here is the polystyrene ceiling inside. Look and close. So this is the polystyrene inside. So everything is off the polystyrene ceiling panel, but that is just one side of the story. What if you now make it as a ceiling? That is what I always ask people. They say, okay, somebody told me that polystyrene ceiling is 100% water resistance. The polystyrene panel is 100% water resistant, but once you use it to make a ceiling, it is no longer 100% water resistant. Of course, water may not pour from it just as it will do POP. Water may not tear it as it will do POP, but it will shorten the lifespan of the ceiling. The lifespan of the polystyrene ceiling can span up to 60 years. Yeah, it can go up to 60 years. But once water is falling on it, there are chemicals in the other materials that weakens. There are chemicals in the other material that weakens, and when those chemicals weak, the ceiling will tear off. Of course, it may tear off and the polystyrene panel will still fall exactly as it is up there, but it does not mean that it is water resistant. The panel resists water, the ceiling does not resist water, because when water is falling on the ceiling, it reduces the lifespan of the ceiling. So I believe this video is as short as it should be, and you definitely have learned something. See you in another third video.